Okay, my geometers, here goes a video for your notes for 8.3, methods for proving triangles are similar. There are basically three different theorems, and they all work off of the principle that if you can set three angles congruent to three angles in a triangle, then that is sufficient to prove two triangles are similar. The first one is actually called just the double angle, and that's angle. The reason we don't need the third angle is because we have another theorem called the forced angle theorem, which if you have two, then you've got actually three. If two angles in a triangle are congruent to two angles in a second, then those triangles are similar. All right? All right, that is the angle theorem. And now, for the side angle side similarity theorem. Make sure that you are using that similarity symbol when you quote these theorems. All right, and this one says if you have an angle, okay? So if one angle is congruent to another, and two sides are proportional to two other sides. My handwriting is getting really bad, sorry. I don't like this software I'm using. Then the triangles are similar. All right, so notice again, we're using one angle and then two included, or I should say two sides and the included angle. All right, theorem numero tres, the side theorem, and you can see, again, in this similarity theorem, that we have here three proportions set equal to each other, referring to the three sets of sides. So, if three sides are proportional to three sides, and again I'm referring to triangles here, oop, whoa, then triangles are similar. Okay? And I'm going to go through a proof here, kind of with you. This is in the book, I think. I think they call that example 3. Starting off here, we've got a triangle, right triangle, and an altitude that is drawn in that right triangle. All right? You can assume angle H is the 90-degree angle in that right triangle. So there is a given here that angle H is right. All right. We're going to prove that that small triangle, this one here, is similar to the outer triangle. Yes? All right. Step 1. HK is an altitude. And triangle HGJ is right. And that's obviously given. Angle 1 and 2 are right angles. And that's the definition of perpendicular lines. Therefore, angle 1 is congruent to angle 2. I believe that is the right angle theorem. Angle J. If you go up and look, angle J is the shared angle here. It is congruent to itself. And so this is setting up the two angles that are congruent to each other. And again, I think that's the reflexive property. So finally, by the AA, don't forget to include that little similarity symbol there. Triangle KHJ is similar to triangle HGJ. All right, hope that video makes sense. Good luck in your homework. See you all on Tuesday.